Hello students, today we are going to learn our new chapter, that is chapter number 6. Be my multiple, I will be your factor. Students, today you are going to study in detail the concept of factors and properties of factors. So let's study it. Factor. A factor is a small number that divides given number completely without leaving any remainder. For example, on dividing 86 by 2, the remainder is 0. So, 2 is a factor of 86. Also, the quotient obtained is 43. So, 43 is also a factor of 86. So, we can say that a factor can be defined as a divisor that exactly divides the given number. For example, the number 8 can be written as 1 multiplied by 8, 2 multiplied by 4, 4 multiplied by 2 and 8 multiplied by 1. Each of the numbers 1, 2, 4 and 8 divides 8 exactly. So 1, 2, 4 and 8 are the factors of 8. Thus, in simple terms, we can say that the numbers that are being multiplied are called the factors of the product. Methods to find the factors of a given number. Students, we have two methods to find the factors of a given number. They are multiplication method and division method. Let us find the factors of 16 by both the methods. First, by multiplication method. Students, before finding out the factors of 16, let's first recall what is factor. Students, we know that the numbers that are being multiplied are called the factors of the product. So, let's multiply the numbers in order to get the factors of 16. Factors of 16. 1 multiplied by 16 equals to 16. 2 multiplied by 8 equals to 16. 3 multiplied by dash equals to 16. Students, multiplying 3 by any of the number, we will not get 16. So, 3 is not a factor of 16. 4 multiplied by 4 equals to 16. 5 multiplied by dash equals to 16. Multiplying 5 by any number, we will not get 16. So, 5 is not a factor of 16. 6 multiplied by any of the number, we will not get 16. So, 6 is not a factor of 16. Multiplying 7 by any of the number, we will not get 16. So, 7 is also not a factor of 16. 8 multiplied by 2 equals to 16. 16 multiplied by 1 equals to 16. Students, note that 2 multiplied by numbers greater than 8 give products that are greater than 16. Thus, 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16 are only the factors of 16. Now, let us find the factors of 16 by division method. Students, divide 16 by 1, 2, 3 and so on. All numbers that can exactly divide 16 will be the factors of 16. So, let's divide 16 by such a number that we get remainder 0. Thus, 16 divided by 1 equals to 16. 16 divided by 2 equals to 8. 16 divided by 4 equals to 4. 16 divided by 8 equals to 2. And 16 divided by 16 equals to 1. Each of the numbers 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16 divide 16 exactly. So 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16 are the factors of 16. Now let us find the factors of 15 by multiplication method. Multiplying 1 by 15, we get 15. Thus, 1 and 15 are the factors of 15. Multiplying 3 by 5, we get 15. Thus, 3 and 5 are the factors of 15. Multiplying 5 by 3, we get 15. Thus, 5 and 3 are the factors of 15. Multiplying 15 by 1, we get 15. Thus, 15 and 1 are the factors of 15. Students, note that 3 multiplied by number greater than 5 give products that are greater than 15. Thus, 1, 3, 5 and 15 are only the factors of 15. Thus, we observe 1 is a factor of every number. It is the smallest factor of a number. It is also called the universal factor. Point 2. Any number is a factor of itself. It is the greatest factor. Point 3. The factors of a number will be less than or equal to the given number. Point number 4. If the number is divided by any of the factors, the remainder is 0. And point number 5. The factors of given number are finite. That is, they can be counted. Students, remember that 1 and the number itself are the two definite factors of a number. Also, the smallest factor of any number is 1 and the biggest factor is the number itself. Properties of factors. Point number 1. Every natural number can be divided exactly by 1. That is, 1 is a factor of every number. For example, 3 divided by 1 equals to 3. 9 divided by 1 equals to 9, etc. Point number 2. Every number is a factor of itself. That is, every natural number can be divided exactly by itself. For example, 7 divided by 7 equals to 1. 100 divided by 100 equals to 1, etc. Every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. For example, factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. That is 6 divided by 1 equals to 6. 6 divided by 2 equals to 3 and 6 divided by 3 equals to 2. Point number 4. Every factor of a number is less than or equals to a number. For example, all the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5 and 20. Each of these factors is either less than or equal to 20. Point number 5. The number of factors of a given number are always limited, that is finite. For example, 15 has factors as 1, 3, 5 and 15. That is, it has 4 factors. Point number 6. Every number other than 1 has at least 2 factors. They are 1 and the number itself. Practice time 1. Question number 1. Write all the possible factors of the following numbers. Students, we will find the factors of 35 by both the method and remaining numbers by multiplication method. So, let's solve the sum. Sum number 1. Factors of 35 by multiplication method. 1. 35's are 35. 5 sevens are 35. 7 5's are 35 and 35 ones are 35. Thus, factors of 35 in ascending order are 1, 5, 7 and 35. Now, factors of 35 by division method. Students, in order to get the factors of 35, divide 35 by 1, 2, 3 and so on. All numbers that can exactly divide 35 will be the factors of 35. So, let's divide 35 by a number that we get remainder 0. Thus, 35 divided by 1 equals to 35. 35 divided by 5 equals to 7. 35 divided by 7 equals to 5. And 35 divided by 35 equals to 1. Each of the numbers 1, 5, 7 and 35 divides 35 exactly. So, 1, 5, 7 and 35 are the only factors of 35. Now, sum B. Factors of 24. 1, 24's are 24. So, 1 and 24 are the factors of 24. 2 12's are 24. So, 2 and 12 are the factors of 24. 3 8's are 24. So, 3 and 8 are the factors of 24. 4 6 are 24. So, 4 and 6 are the factors of 24. 6 4's are 24. Students, now we will not get any new factor as we got the repeated factors. 4 6 are 24 or 6 4's are 24. So we have to stop writing the factors. Thus, factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Now, some see factors of 56. 156 are 56. So, 1 and 56 are the factors of 56. 2, 28 are 56. So, 2 and 28 are the factors of 56. 4, 14s are 56. So, 4 and 14 are the factors of 56. 7 is are 56. So, 7 and 8 are the factors of 56. 8 sevens are 56. So, 8 and 7 are the factors of 56. Students, now we have to stop writing the factors as we got the repeated factors. They are 7 8s are 56 and 8 sevens are 56. Thus, factors of 56 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28 and 56. Now, sum D factors of 60. 160s are 60. So 1 and 60 are the factors of 60. 230s are 60. So 2 and 30 are the factors of 60. 320s are 60. So 3 and 20 are the factors of 60. 4 15s are 60. So 4 and 15 are the factors of 60. 5 12s are 60. So 5 and 12 are the factors of 60. 6 10s are 60. So 6 and 10 are the factors of 60. 10 6 are 60. Students, now we will not get any new factors. So we have to stop writing the factors as we got repeated factor. 6 tens are and 10 6 are. Thus, factors of 60 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and 60. Now, sum E factors of 75. 175s are 75. So, 1 and 75 are the factors of 75. 3 25s are 75. So, 3 and 25 are the factors of 75. 5 15s are 75. So, 5 and 15 are the factors of 75. 15 5s are 75. Students, now we have to stop writing the factors as we got the repeated factors. They are 5 15s are 75 and 15 5s are 75. Thus, factors of 75 are 1, 3, 5, 15, 25 and 75. Students, solve practice work by yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.